Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. It is Daniel Koye, your #1 wig making cheerleader. Ta-da! And today I'm going to be going over a styrofoam head versus a canvas block. Let's jump into it. Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So we're going to be going over these two fun blocks, wig heads. Wig styrofoam heads. So there are two different types, definitely different prices. First and foremost, as you know, a wig block can be anywhere between $20 and $70 if you're gonna get a long neck, a short neck, compared to our styrofoam block, you know, between $5 and below $1, wherever you get them from. But we're gonna go over them, just the pros and cons, just so you know them. Styrofoam. It's styrofoam. It will never break down in the universe. We don't know how long it will break down. As you can see, they can take a beating. It's been burned, it's been singed, you know, and they're quite smaller. They tend to stand up. And once again, they're cheap. They do take up a lot of room. I have a whole shelf of bags of them for when I do send out wigs now, and when people rent them or buy them from me. It is great for that purpose. I do like to take them if someone has bought a wig from me. I'll take a styrofoam one. I will hot glue it to the bottom of the box, and then I will have it on the inside so it won't tip over, and then I'll stuff it that way. There should be a video coming soon on how I ship my wigs, so you'll see how that is done. But to make wigs for all of that, I do prefer a canvas block. They are, some are made out of a cork, some are made out of wood chips, some are made out of sawdust. If you did sign up and are a part of the Ventilating Masterclass at danielkoyeeducation.com, your block is made by Arlene from A&A Hair and Wig Piece Corporation down in Florida. We really do love Arlene. She actually has a factory that makes them themselves. So as you can see, it is kind of light bulb-ish, but she really does try to give us an occipital bone. That is really what we want them for. And this is a 22, so that is literally what you'll be getting in your kit. This is one of the heads you will be getting if you check out danielkoyeeducation.com. But this is a block that I can pad out. I can have a true circumference. They come in different sizes, so probably from 21 to 25. If you do need a custom ordered block, Arlene does do them. So if you have like a 25-inch head or a 26-inch head or a 19 or a 17-inch head, she has those as well. And she custom stuffs them herself. I hope she doesn't do them. I hope. But I don't know. But I know she does do them. She makes them on hand. And then you have your center guideline that I love, that when teaching and educating, you actually have a full service. Let's just move her over the wall. So yeah, so these are the two main blocks that we use. Once again, these do also take up a lot of room. You do need to plasticize them if you're going to be washing wigs, right? If you're a custom-made wig from scratch, you're going to be washing your wigs on your block. Just a little bit of information. But it is well worth it. So what you're going to want to do is, if you want to get your own block, you're going to do the circumference of your head. So literally like a headband all the way around, so you can get the circumference. So then you can figure out what size block. Most of the time they are stamped at the bottom with what size they are. So 20, 21, 22. Sometimes I will go back in and write them bigger, just so you never know. I mean, I have, yeah. And then once you pad them out for people, they kind of then become their block. So then I have like a shelf that just has like people who I make wigs for, and they just call me, I make it, and then I ship it out. So let me know, which block do you prefer? I have seen people make wigs on styrofoam blocks. I've seen people make them on canvas blocks. I have seen people make them on wood blocks. What's your favorite? Let me know in the comments below which block you like and why do you like it. I wanna get some more information, because you know I'm a little information fiend and I love having information. So let me know. Make sure you like and subscribe so you can get more information on all of the crazy things that I'm up to. And check out my social medias, Daniel Koye Official on Instagram and Facebook. So let me know. And if you do want to know more about wig making, you can check out danielkoyeeducation.com. I know, it's a shameless plug. This whole thing has been about that. But you can check it out because it's where you're going to be working smarter, not harder, to make wigs so that you are getting a better profit at the end. So you're not wasting your time trying to make wigs from scratch, because who needs that? So who needs that? You just need to let me know in the comments below which block you like, and we'll go from there. All right, guys, until next time.